Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this video we are going to create colorful gradient lettering. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So let's start. So this is exactly what we are going to create now. It is very cool and very easy to create. You can use these type of colorful texts in your artwork. So let's start. First, I am going to write the text using the brush tool because your text should be in a single stroke. Like this. Now come in the swatches panel here. If swatches panel is not showing up at the moment, just go to the window and here select swatches. Now in the swatches panel, click here and go to Open Swatches Library. Here select Gradients and click Color Combinations. Here are the color combinations. Just select the text and click on the color combination you want. You can choose any of the color combination. You can also change any of the color in your text. Come in here in the gradient panel and double click on the color which you want to change. And from here select the color. Like this you can change the color also. Like this. So this is how you can create colorful gradient lettering. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.